This is the no-nonsense guide to simplification, sometimes called And-Elimination. Let's go. Simplification is a valid inference rule that looks like this: both P and Q, therefore P. Or both P and Q, therefore Q. The model shows a pattern, a form. Both the first thing and the second thing are true, so you may infer either one on its own. A statement using and is called a conjunction. Each part on either side is called a conjunct. Simplification says, when a conjunction is true, you may infer the left conjunct, or alternatively, the right conjunct. Jan and Tom both left the party, so Tom left the party. Using symbols, box and circle, therefore, box. The box and circle example shows that P and Q can stand for anything. For example, if Jan went, then Casey didn't, and neither Bob nor Sally went. Therefore, neither Bob nor Sally went. It looks messy, but the pattern is simple. Here's how it looks in symbolic logic, a natural deduction proof. If J, then not C, and neither B nor S. So we infer neither B nor S, using simplification on line 1, or as some textbooks call it, Conjunction Elimination on line 1. See the structure? Both the first thing and the second thing are true, so you can infer the second thing. Of course, we could have inferred the first thing just as well. Simplification only works on a conjunction. Either Jan went or Tom went, so Jan went. Nope, we can't know that for sure. If Jan went, then Tom went. So Jan went. Again, no, we just don't have enough information yet to know whether Jan went. Go ahead and break off a conjunct when you have a conjunction, but only with conjunction. Simplification is a valid deductive form that uses a conjunction, an and statement with a conjunct on each side. Arguments can be much more complex and still count as simplification as long as they keep the same structure. To avoid error, remember, simplification only works with a conjunction, not a disjunction, not a conditional. But if you do have an and statement, then you can go ahead and take either piece. Found this useful? Hit like, subscribe, and keep learning in the No Nonsense playlist.